What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Luca Brassi. It's your boy Kevin Johnson. We are back with another video, man. As you guys, I need all y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Blowing up 2020, 2021. Hey, man, let's get shit lit, man. Let's get shit lit. Alright, so look, bro. I know I haven't been posting videos, making more content for y'all. It's just been a whole nother, you feel me? A whole nother shitty day. But, man, y'all already know, man, the waterfall. So, these next couple days, weeks, I'm going to be vlogging. But you know what I'm saying? I just hope everybody is ready for all this new content that I got coming on the way. I don't have no no good car content or none of that. I don't. So I just need everybody to bear with me. I'm telling you, it's about to be the most litest year for me. I'm telling you, the most litty year for me. But yeah, man, let's get straight to it. We just gonna get straight back into it. Alright, listen, bro. Listen. I don't know, like, they messing up. See, now I think that this pandemic stuff is over now, and everything is back open because the city workers is out here fixing the roads. They're doing the roads. There's a whole lot of stuff out here for y'all, man. And you know what? I'm not gonna wait no more. I'm gonna go that way. But you know, this is just a POV drive for the day. No content. You know, it's just a PO drive for today. I wish hold up, I'm at the all the way down to 1. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to do this. You know what I'm saying? So when I get done doing what I am doing, you know, when I get done doing what I gotta do, it's gonna be some legendary content, y'all. Some legendary fucking content, man. As y'all can see, I'm tired of shit, as y'all can see. My eyes turn different colors in the sunlight when I'm tired. See? Like I said earlier, y'all, this is a POV drive, man. I need everybody to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, man. Give me a thumbs up if you think this video is gonna make it. Give me a thumbs up. But I'm about to do some stuff, man. So by the time I'm get done doing this stuff, this will be at home and upstairs by the time I turn this camera back on. Hey man, I'm about to get lit on gang.